Hi guys, if you don't know me, my name is Adam Rahman and I'm a mechatronic engineering student in Batam State Polytechnic. And I want to tell you about uh, introduction fingering pattern with EMG signal. And before we start, I'll begin to background and then formation of the problem, and then purpose and benefits and scope of problem and research design and software design and hardware design and movement classification design and tools and materials and implementation schedule. And it's still under progress, so we can continue next time. Okay. Have you ever wondered how a bionic hand is attached to a disabled person? Before we start, I'd like to draw your attention to my presentation. And let's turn our attention to background. Hands are crucial organ in carrying out daily activities. Almost all daily activities use hands. However, some people lose hand function due to accident or birth defect. People with disabilities will experience difficulties in carrying out daily activities. This study tries to recognize some finger movement using sensor electromyography or EMG, which measure the movement of muscle activity. Surface electromyography or EMG is a non-invasive technique that measures muscle activity through electrodes that detect electromyographic signal through skin contact. Until now, there are many types of signal processing applied to SEMG. The extraction of feature based on the domain of group into two, namely the time domain and method and the frequency domain method. Raw data derived from time domain SEMG. With the support vector machine particle swarm optimization method, it is expected to be able to recognize and classify finger movement based on EMG signal. And in a few minutes, I'm going to tell you about formulation problem, okay, which I hope should you explain why we using the Maya armband. And now I now like to turn to formula of the problem. The first is how do I read an electromyography signal. The second is how to do electromyography signal data training. And the third is how to classify EMG signal with support vector machine vertical swarm optimization. Okay, now we move to purpose. We have three purposes in here. The first is can read signal electromyography signal, can conduct electromyography signal data training, and the last is can classify EMG signal data with support vector machine particle swarm optimization. And the next is the benefits. The benefits of this research are that in the future it can be used for medical purpose to be applied to people with hand disabilities to reduce the difficulties experienced by people with disabilities. And the scope of problem is this research was conducted using one arm, namely the right arm. The myoarmband sensor is placed on the right of arm of the lower elbow. Here. Here. Uh, and the mechanical design is not discussed in this study. And we move to research design. The first is literature study, and then programming and Windows Form for EMG signal in Microsoft Visual C# application, making and designing a classification program using the vector support vector machine particle swarm optimization method, and carry out the process of collecting or training on EMG signal data from the result of finger movement, and then testing on tools and data. And we move to software design. It begin to start and record the apa and the first is flowchart training data. It's begin to start and then record EMG data and then training and then optimization with PSO particle swarm optimization, and then update weight, and then the last is stop. And we move to flowchart testing data. Begin with start and record data EMG and training and reduction with PSO, and then update the weight. And the last is stop. The hardware design is the first myoarmband and connected with Bluetooth adapter with PC, and raw data SVM PSO. From the data, the output is a classification EMG signal. In this movement classification design, like this, one finger open, two finger open, three finger open, five finger open, and relax and fish. Okay, and we move to tools and material. The first tools is myoarmband. We have a myoarmband from our campus, and computer. I have one laptop, so it's available. All is available. And we move to implementation schedule. The starting proposal is start to February and March, and this okay. Nah, like this. Okay, and that's all. Uh, I hope you can understand of my presentation, and thank you.